Hello again, this is Dr. Anthony Rakovic. We talked about this week is joint motion, specifically synovial joint motion, which occurs mostly in the spine and also the knee, hips, and shoulders. What synovial joints have are membranes in there that lubricate the joint and also allow for shock absorption. The purpose is to maintain the joint ability to work over long periods of time. It doesn't wear itself out for when it will become arthritic. When the joint works normally, they have nerve signals in there called mechanoreceptors. Mechanoreceptors, what they'll do is gauge how much pressure and how much motion inside the joint. When there is normal motion pressure, what it'll do is then fire to proprioceptive nerves. Those nerves fire to the brain. Proprioceptors, what their purpose is to let the brain know, hey look, things are working properly in this one joint, and they send the information to the brain. The brain uses that, along with other joints in the body, to coordinate all motion in the body. It may be your spine, hips, ankles, whatever it would be. When it doesn't work properly, meaning when the synovial joints of the spine, for example, aren't moving properly, are not moving properly, or have too much pressure, it'll signal instead, mechanoreceptors signal nociceptors instead, nociceptors, to let them fire and hit the brain. When they fire to the brain, what they'll do is tell them, hey, things aren't working properly. Things are off. By doing that, the brain will sense, okay, how do we fix this thing? It goes into what's called a sympathetic response. By doing that, increases blood pressure, increases heart rate, increases also anxiety to see what's going on. The sympathetic response is like the fight or flight response to where, am I being chased? Is this a scary situation for one, two? Do I have to get out of here? And by doing that short term, your body can recover and over, if you want to call it, rejuvenate itself or heal itself. In long-term issues, when the joint becomes too stuck or too much pressure and it's happening for a chronic period of time, then it causes sometimes health conditions such as diabetes, cholesterol, and also high anxiety or a lower immune system, because realize that same sympathetic response controls your organs, functions too. And by doing that, your hormonal levels change, so they change permanently sometimes, or at least for a long period of time. So what chiropractic does is it helps balance out the proprioceptors, nociceptors, to bring the nociceptors down, proprioceptors up, to allow a better state of health, to allow your body more of a relaxed state versus stressed, or if you want to call it, chronic adaptive type of state. So with chiropractic, the goal is to allow things to become normal at a nervous level, at a nerve system level, at a joint level, and overall body level. Okay, that's really the purpose of chiropractic from a hormonal and also nerve connection type of level. So with chiropractic, our goal is to help maintain that and really, over time, allow things not to digress or degenerate or become arthritic. At that point, your body doesn't wear out prematurely. Okay, so this is another short video about Euclid Chiropractic Clinic in Upland. We are an office, we're a whole body health center. Enjoy health by the inside out. Have a great day.